Now in the next video, so coming to the next property, inverse trigonometry functions. So we are dealing the six type of the properties. 2 tan inverse x is equals to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, where mod x less than or equals to 1. 2 tan inverse of x, all are going to be same. Tan inverse 2 tan inverse of x, 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x. One will come in sin inverse, one will come in cos inverse, one will come in tan inverse. So as like what we are already having, tan 2x in terms of the other sin 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x in terms of tan. The same formula is applicable, but it will come in the inverse form. Now 2 tan inverse x is equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, where x greater than 0. Tan inverse of 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, where mod x less than 1. So in both the cases where sine and cos are given, sine and cos time denominator will be little greater, so it is 1 plus x square. So consider it is 1 plus x square. Now coming to the proof, consider the first one. 2 tan inverse x is equals to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Now in this case, consider x is equals to tan theta, and what will come in the RHS side and RHS part. I'm considering only 2x by 1 plus x square, then it will be 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, can we write it as sin 2 theta? Yes, we can write it as sin 2 theta. And consider the total, sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is equals to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is equals to sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta you write. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. So sin inverse and sin both will cancel. It can be written as 2 theta. And the theta is nothing but x is equals to tan theta. Then theta can be written as tan inverse of x. You write the same term here. 2 tan inverse of x. So this is a value of LHS side. So same thing can be applicable for the others. 2 tan inverse of x is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, considering x is equals to tan theta here. 2 tan inverse of x is equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, same x is equals to tan theta here, then it will become tan 2 theta, it will become cos 2 theta. Properties are completed. Now we'll see the exercise questions, proving of them. 3 cos inverse x is equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to open and closed interval 1 by 2 comma 1. And see here, both the side it is cos only, and in place of x we can substitute cos theta here, then it will become 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and total it will give you cos 3 theta. So this inner function we require to write in terms of cos, then cos and cos inverse will cancel, then it will give the LHS or LHS value. Now we'll see. So what is given in this case, we are considering x is equals to cos theta, then consider 4x cube minus 3x is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, this total value will give you cos 3 theta. Now RHS side you see, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x is equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x is equals to cos 3 theta. So write the same cos 3 theta here. Now cos inverse and cos theta, cos will cancel. So both are getting cancelled. Cos inverse and cos will cancel. So it will give you 3 theta. We already saw x is equals to cos theta. Then x is equals to cos theta. Then theta is equals to cos inverse of x. Now right here theta. Theta is nothing but cos inverse of x, that can be taken as LHS value. This way you need to understand which you need to substitute here. Now coming to the second type, tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 12. As we already known, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equals to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So now you consider x is equals to 2 by 11 and y is equals to 7 by 24. So directly substitute in the RHS side. So tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 is equals to tan inverse of, directly substituting in this formula, x is equals to 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 by 1 minus x into y. X is 2 by 11 and y is 7 by 24 is equals to tan inverse of 2 by 11. LCM will be 11 into 24, so 22 and 44, so it is 364. Now 2 into 24, it is 48, plus 7 into 11, it is 77 by 11 into 24, 364, 364 into 1, 364 minus 14 by 364, both 364 will cancel, and tan inverse of 48 plus 75, so it is 125 by 264, so 264 minus 14 is 250, so it will give you 125, 2 times it will cancel, then tan inverse of 1 by 2, so that is your RHS value. So we consider here LHS and we are getting RHS value. Okay, just we saw a few of the questions here. So from the exercise 2.2, so complete at least 5 to 6 questions, 5 to 6 questions from first time, second bits, and we will give the few of the questions regarding the same in the next video.